Okay, that's story. Okay, people lies a lot, right? Both men, women, both. Okay, who thinks men lies the most? Okay, two people. Okay, who thinks women lies the most?
Me, two hands, eh?
Okay. Alright, the answer is both of lie. Men and women of course lie. Okay, men lies small but a lot. Okay, women lies is what big lies, the big lies. Okay, men's lies is like this. Hello, Siti. You know I love you. Not Siti. Farah. Hello? Hello? Okay, that's men's lies. Okay, women's lies is that, hey, a nice baby. Whose baby is that? This is your baby, of course.